How to use free hit on Fantasy Premier League. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to the application Fantasy Premier League. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now move into Fantasy at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in this page, head over to Transfer. You will be able to see your team formation. So right now, you can see that free hit is not available to me, but for you, if it is available, then all you gotta do is, you will be able to transfer the players. In order to do so, all you gotta do is, select the player that you want to transfer, and then tap on Select Replacement. Now choose a player with who you want to replace. Once you've selected the player, tap on Next at the bottom right corner of the screen. So right here, you will be able to use your free hit. Tap on Confirm, and the player that you have selected will be transferred successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.